Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to exchange currency at Commonwealth Bank. I know that exchanging currency can be a bit confusing, especially if you're traveling to a foreign country for the first time. But I'm here to help you make the process as easy as possible. Commonwealth Bank is one of the largest banks in Australia, and they offer a variety of currency exchange services. In this video, I'll show you how to exchange currency at a Commonwealth Bank branch. Step 1. Find a Commonwealth Bank branch. You can find a Commonwealth Bank branch near you by using their branch locator. Step 2. Go to the branch and speak to a teller. Tell the teller that you want to exchange currency. Step 3. Provide your identification. You will need to provide your driver's license or passport to the teller. Step 4. Choose the currency you want to exchange. Commonwealth Bank offers a wide variety of currencies. Step 5. Enter the amount of currency you want to exchange. The teller will calculate the exchange rate for you and tell you how much you will receive in the new currency. Step 6. Pay for your currency. You will need to pay for your currency using cash or a credit card. Step 7. Receive your currency. The teller will give you your currency in a sealed envelope. Additional tips. It's important to compare exchange rates before you exchange currency. Commonwealth Bank offers competitive exchange rates, but it's always a good idea to shop around. You can also exchange currency online using Commonwealth Bank's website. If you're traveling overseas, it's a good idea to get some of your currency before you leave. This will help you avoid long lines at the airport. I would also like to add that it's important to be aware of the risks involved in exchanging currency. Always make sure that you are getting a fair exchange rate and that you are dealing with a reputable bank or exchange. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. I also encourage you to share this video with your friends and family. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.